Installation of the Keystone X and X2 external mount gate latches. The latches are designed to fit both right-hand and left-hand applications. To conform your application, the latch assembly may need to be reversed. To reverse the latch assembly, tilt the assembly back and remove the 4 screws holding the mounting base. Carefully lift and rotate the mounting base without disturbing the internal components, and then replace the screws. Locate the desired mounting height for the gate latch on the fence post. Mark the center points of the mounting holes, 5 for the KLX and 4 for the KLX2. And drill appropriate pilot holes for mounting screws. Realign the latch and attach to the post with the supplied flathead screws. After installing the latch assembly, position and attach the striker. With the gate closed, position the striker with the striker rod within the latch assembly behind the latch mechanism. Mark the center points of the 4 mounting holes and drill appropriate pilot holes for mounting screws. Realign the striker and attach to post with the supplied screws. The position of the striker can be adjusted by loosening the screws and sliding up or down. After installation, test the locking and unlocking of the latch. Lock the latch by turning counterclockwise 180 degrees and remove. Unlock the latch by turning clockwise 180 degrees and remove. For more information, visit nationwideindustries.com.